I'm here at the Beauty Lounge here in C5 Diego Silang. I'll be putting all the address in the description box below. Pero yan, soft opening nila today. And ayan. So we have here Miss Joy.
Yes, ma'am.
Ayun. So assist niya ako inside the salon.
Welcome po sa Beauty Lounge.
Yeah. Ayan siya. Ito siya, guys. Kanyang name.
Yes.
Ayan. And the grand opening will be on November 14th.
14th, yes.
Ayan. So mark your calendars. We are going inside. Wait lang, I'll just flip. Okay.
The customer lounge and the counter.
Ito yung counter, guys. Ayan. So, soft opening pa lang to, kaya medyo hindi pa siya totally done. And I think this will be where you're the products. And then, here we go. They have 9 stations. Ayan. And I super love yung kanilang interior. Ayun, lalo na yung mirrors nila. Ayan. And then, here, they have parang rooms pa, but hindi pa siya masyadong tapos. Kasi nga, soft opening pa lang. And then, going inside, ayan. Ito, rooms din for
skin therapist, skin specialist.
Ayun, skin specialist because, wait lang, flip ko nga.
We have facial.
Ayun, ano po yung mga services?
Meron po kami facial.
The very beautiful owner. Hi! Welcome to Dental TV. We're here at
Beauty Lounge, salon, hair, nail, and skin salon. Nakiki-host ako.
Ayun. And they have doctors.
Yes, we have doctor for consultation and nurse as well. Tapos, meron kami facial. Meron kami underarm, whitening, and good services. Then, meron kami pang-tabi, pang-contour ng face, and that's called RF. Pang-contour ng face sa kanyang tabi, pang-papasexy.
Yes.
Tapos, botox para sa mga gusto pang magpaganda lalo.
So, hindi lang siya purely like hair and ano.
Yes.
Right, it's just skin and other non-invasive ba yung tawag?
Yes,
Na
spa talaga. Kaya, hindi lang siya hair, nails pa, skin pa. So, that's why.
I'll be also including na lang the list of these services on my blog and also in the description box.
Yes,
na lang.
we'll give you na lang later.
Ayun. So then, going here, meron pa sila dito. Ito, super favorite ko tong part na to.
Yeah.
Tara!
The couch
I super
is
love the
nice,
couch.
diba?
It's super nice.
Yes.
Ayan. So, ano po yung mga ginagawa dito na services?
So, kami meron kami offer na manicure and pedicure and spa.
Ayun.
May hand and foot therapy sa kanila.
Ayun. And look at that! Ang ganda-ganda naman
Breakfast. Parang kami queen pag umupo ka dito.
Ayun. And then here, dito ginagawa po yung mga
yung mga RF namin.
Ayan.
For tummies. Yan. For arms. Yan. These are skin specialists.
ayan.
Yes.
Thank you. So yun, what I'll be doing today is Brazilian. Tsaka, yun,
Sir
Brazilian.
Edward will be your stylist.
Ayun, si Sir Edward. And, ayun, I'll be updating you guys later. Bye! Hi guys, I meet my hairstylist for today. So, ano yung si Kuya Edward?
Yes, my name is Edward, stylist ako sa Beauty Lounge. Ako po mag-a-assist sa book niya ngayon. And let's see what will happen to here.
Yes.
For me, you're rebonded. Previous rebonded here.
Parang, hindi siya ang tawag doon. Parang permanent blow dry.
Okay, permanent blow dry. It's a kind of, before ang tawag doon is relaxing. Relaxing blowout. And then, for now, it's Brazilian blowout na po yan. Parang, evolution lang po ang ibig sabihin. But still, chemically treated hair, we need to reinforce the hair first before we do the chemical treatment like rebonding or any kind of peroxide or ammonia na pwede natin lagay sa buhok. Mas better na pakainin natin buhok or bigyan natin ng treatment na tawag natin Brazilian blowout.
Ayun. Then guys, and yeah, I'll get back to you later with the process ng aking hair. Ang bango.
Product siya ma'am ng Alpha Farm.
Kaya. Narinig ko na yan before sa dati kong pinuntang salon. Ang bango niya. Hindi siya yung ordinaryong shampoo, no?
This is a Rosafet shampoo ma'am.
Wala.
At hindi siya kagaya ng mga ordinary shampoo na winawash out niya yung treatment.
Can you show ate yung shampoo na yun? Ayan guys, ang dami din na ating shampoo. Yan. Thank you!
Almost nasa 200 to 180 degrees Fahrenheit or Celsius ng plancha para at hindi siya mapupuwersa. But bakit natin siya pinaplansya? To help the chemical na mag-stay or mag-flattening. And then after that, after 20 minutes sa plancha na natin, naglalagay tayo ng last chemical na pinatawag nating neutralizer.
Opo.
For sa Brazilian blowout natin, para mag-maintain yung gamot doon sa nilagay natin na first chemical. Yun na po yung magpapalambot ng buhok. And then, meron tayong tinatawag na procedure or something rituals. 2 to 3 days, bawal galawin ng buhok.
Okay.
Pag pinapawisan, pwedeng much better na tissue ang panggamit natin kesa yung mga panyo or anything. Why? Kasi tissue is more on absorbent. Nakapag-absorb ng pawis natin. Kasi yung pawis natin is an acid na masama sa buhok. But still, we need to take care of our hair. Magiging rebellious or tinatawag natin breakager like this. So we need to put some nutrients sa buhok para maging matibay. Yung mga ginagawa natin here sa salon na is a kind of intense treatment na hindi nakikita agad. Kailangan natin ito continue Brazilian para makita natin yung effectivity. Kasi sabi ko nga kanina, sabi ko hindi siya isang magic. Habang nilalagay natin o matapos natin yan, maganda ang buhok mo. Hindi, makikita mo, yes.
Hi guys! So, tapos na yung first layer and nakakatuwa yung hairstylist ko dito kasi ang dami ko natututunan sa kanya kada tanong ko and ang dami niya explanation. So, I'll be sharing that on the blog post and dito sa video na rin. And then, while waiting kasi 20 minutes, I am having my meal. Taran! Ayan. Just have pasta, bread, chicken, and then ito I think parang vegetable something, spring roll. And I just have my iced tea. Ayun, so I'm just waiting for 20 minutes and another gagawin ng sila sa hair ko yan. So hindi ko pinagalaw yung bangs ko kasi ayaw ko siya ng flat. Sino ba may gusto na flat na bangs, diba? So gusto ko may volume pa rin siya. So ayan. So I'll get back to you later. Bye!
Okay ka lang din ma'am.
To 200. Pag nakikita natin medyo nag-vibrate, baka tayo sa 180. Siya na ang tipong magbibigay ng lambot or sasabi natin movement sa buhok. Honestly, hindi siya isang magic na like I said before, hindi siya ganun kaagad kaganda or magiging matibay ang buhok. We need to do always or every month, every 2 months, magpa-Brazilian treatment tayo.
I know we're all busy. I would like to welcome you all and present you the owner of this salon, Miss Bianca Castero.
Hello, good afternoon everyone. First of all, I really want to thank you for taking the time to be here with us today. I know you have a lot of things in your calendar. I know you guys are all busy. And I know you guys came from far away places. So I really appreciate you being here with us today. And thank you, of course, Miss Joy, for that wonderful introduction of myself. Na-inlove na ako sa sarili ko, yung pala. So, anyway, this salon is actually, I started the salon business last year. It was October. But then I figured, you know, it's time to expand because a lot of our clients from Taguig are asking for a branch here. So, now we're here. And I know naman, you know, sometimes, di ba, bilang babae, sometimes you just want to do everything in one shop. Di ba? Parang you want to have your hair done na, and the traffic, di ba? Parang sometimes just going to your place to a salon takes so much traffic na. So, if we can have everything in one stop, can you imagine if you can have your hair done while having your gluta drip? Perfect na yun, di ba? Para at least you maximize your time so you can still have time for other things. And of course, that's what that is our goal here in the Beauty Lounge. And of course, this won't be possible if I don't have a very beautiful Doctora. Can I please call my very, very gorgeous Doctora Lisa Biscocho? This is my, as you can see naman, di ba? Talagang very, very beautiful. So, Doc, can you tell us about what we're offering in the derm side?
I'm Dr. Lisa Pasilonia. We're going to have consultation for the acne pathologic. What you will have pathologic tools are non-skincare for those illnesses, diseases, and skin problems. We have also going to be doing acne treatment, Botox injection, fillers. We're going to have dread lift, non-surgical dread or non-surgical facelift. We're going to have mesotherapy, sclerotherapy, anti-age, rejuvenating, and wellness. We call it one-stop beauty shop, not just for beauty, but also for wellness. And we're going to expand or add more of the treatments as we go along. So we're welcoming everybody to our new one-stop beauty / wellness shop.
Yay!
Thank you so much for
Hi guys, so this is the neutralizer part na parang last part na siya, and it should be on my hair for about 20 minutes, and I'm not allowed to move my head either sides kasi baka daw magkaroon siya ng bewang. So ayan, hindi ako pwede gumalaw, and naka-timer naman siya. Ayun lang, at saka hindi siya mabaho or anything. Charan! And of course, ang aking mahiwagang bangus na hindi dapat magalaw. Ayun lang. So, that's my update to you guys. And, yeah. Bye! Hey guys, I'm currently here inside the comfort room of the Beauty Lounge. And sila may pinakamagandang CR na salon na napuntahan ko so far. Look at that! They have bathtub! Wow, mas maganda pa yung CR nila sa CR namin sa bahay. My goodness. And they have shower. Charan! Diba? Kasi daw siguro kasi may massage sila and everything. Pero, ang ganda na CR nila. Hindi pa ito masyadong tapos. Wala pong mga designs yung wall and mirror. Pero, ang ganda. Ayan. Iniwan kayo po ko. Pero, ayan. And, magsi-CR kasi ako, guys. So, ayun lang. Natuwa lang ako sa CR nila. CR lang. Bye! Thank you. Ang ganda-ganda ng aking hair.
Napapansin mo yung bangs mo, no? Parang nilagyan ko ng art lang.
Ganyan talaga siya, ma'am. Bonggang bangs na.
And thanks to Sir Edward. Say hi po. Sorry, maliit. And at Sunshine. Thank you so much for my hair.
Thank you so much for your time.
Ang ganda-ganda. Ayan siya, guys.
Hope to see you again here.
Sure po.
Beauty Lounge.
Ayan, nawala na guys yung ano.
8 years pa ba?
Talaga, sige. Ayan. Ay, papapicture lang ko lang guys yung aking hair ha. Wait lang. Hi sis! Hello! So what's your treatment today?
Radiant hair color, plan, and then Syrian.
So then, ayun. And then I have your sis Lifey. Hello! Ano yung treatment mo today?
Brazilian hair color.
Ayun. So, ayun. Sir, ito. Correct. Ayun. Thank you. Hi guys, so I'm done with my hair na. So this is the Brazilian blowout by Beauty Lounge. I'm very happy with the result guys. As in, the ends of my hair, sobrang dry nito kanina and like pag ginanyan mo, parang stop ka na sa dulo. And then now, look at my hair! Super soft, super lambot, and ang ganda-ganda niya talaga. And then, yung bangs ko medyo maba siya. So yun, I'm very happy with my experience here at the Beauty Lounge. I'll be posting more details on the description box below. So, if you also need more pictures, I will also include that on my vlog. So, just to visit the description box below. And yeah, thank you so much. And I will see you guys next time. Bye!